Good day, Pinoy Clixers and Mixers. Welcome back to the channel. We have a yellow letter. Let's check what it is. Let's go! Okay, so we have here, I wouldn't say a package. Okay, it's not because it's not a parcel, but it's a mail. Not even a mail, maybe a letter from Wizkids. Okay, so I think this is, if I'm not mistaken, from the Wizkids replacement office. There we go. Wizkids replacement. Okay, so as you guys know, if you've been watching this channel, I usually join the auction, Heroclix auction from Oxit, care of Lakadice Cafe and Howard. And during the X-Men 97, not 27, the X-Men 97 Brick Breaks auctions, I was able to luckily pull a Magneto chase. Okay, so you can see again, we have a separate video about this Magneto, the epic flat Earth EMP Magneto. Okay, but at that time, when I opened the booster, okay, so the base was missing. So meaning, you can see it is a base now, but when it arrived to me, I think even when Howard pulled it, it was missing its base. Okay, so and that's totally fine, because again, things happen, and I was able to get from a common figure a base and able to print out a dial for Magneto. You can see here, although it's not perfect. Okay, but I wondered actually if I can avail of Wizkids replacement. Okay, so I initially contacted Howard about it, and he said issues like this are again under Wizkids replacement. So I took my chance, and with his guidance, and here we are having to open the replacement. Okay, so if I'm not mistaken, it took at least a month. Okay, I would say more than a month, because we're in the Philippines, so I guess that's totally fine. But I'm glad that Wizkids replacement program is applicable to us non-US players. So again, kudos to Wizkids for this, and I hope it's correct. Okay, let's open it up, and what we have here is, there you go, we only have a dial. Okay, and it's the dial for, is it the same? It's a dial for Magneto. Okay, so you can see the attack there, 10, 12, 20 RCE. This is a very high costed figure, if I'm not mistaken, 250. Okay, so he's a one-man army. So this is good, the one that I made, but this is definitely better, the original 043 with the X-Men 97 logo. So you can see some differences in the KO. It's crispier as well, and the color print is better. Okay, so but the fit, the taste is in the pudding. Let's see if it fits. Obviously it will fit. Okay, so now Magneto is complete. We are happier with our collection. Everything is in order. Again, thank you very much, Wizkids replacement. Now I feel much more at ease and confident that when I purchase something and I miss something, or something needs to be replaced, it can happen. This is a proof of concept. But what do you guys think? Have you availed of Wizkids replacement, and how was your experience? Share your thoughts in the comments. But for now, bye!